There's nothing that car enthusiasts get excited about like the release of special edition cars. These cars always have something unique about them. Not only that, but getting your hands on one is always tough. This is because the automaker will release a very limited number of them. Porsche has recently celebrated 60 years of the 911, and to mark that, they're releasing one 911 that is very different from all the others. This is the 2024 Porsche 911 ST. Everything about this car is enough to make anyone excited. But what exactly does it bring to the table? Let's find out, shall we? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will look at the 2024 Porsche 911 ST, a limited edition car to mark 60 years since the Porsche 911 was introduced. But before we continue, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing updates on your favorite cars. And with that, let's find out how Porsche has decided to celebrate the 911. Every automaker always loves celebrating the anniversaries of their performance cars. And when it comes to that, they always release an extremely limited special edition of the car. If there's an automaker that really enjoys that, it is Porsche. 2023 marks 60 years since the Porsche 911 was introduced. And because of this, we're sure that this limited edition 911 will have all collectors throwing deposits at dealerships as though they were major league pitchers. To celebrate the anniversary, Porsche is releasing the 2024 911 ST. In addition to that, Porsche has claimed that it's also the lightest of the 992 generation. Porsche has also said it will be making its US debut at Rennsport Reunion on the 7th of October with only 1,963 units of the Porsche 911 ST being produced. It goes without saying that the production number is a mark of when the first 911 model was released. If you've been paying attention, you know that Porsche isn't one for simple badge jobs when it comes to limited models. However, Porsche always loves mixing some of the best features from its parts bins. So what makes the 2024 Porsche 911 ST so unique? The foundation of this limited edition car is both the GT3 RS and the GT3 Touring package. Essentially speaking, Porsche just took the 518 horsepower 4.0-liter engine from the GT3 RS and placed it in the chassis of the GT3 Touring package. The main feature that stands out from doing this is the fact that the GT3 RS engine is mated to a manual transmission in a 992 for the first time. This will definitely make Porsche fans happy because they've been waiting to see a manual GT3 RS, and now they have it. Even though this is not the case, it's probably the closest they will ever get. Nonetheless, we can assume that most of the fans waiting for it are pleased with this. To keep the heavy revving GT3 RS Boxer engine happy, it's been paired with a special close ratio gearbox, lightweight clutch, and shortened constant axle ratio. One of Porsche's goals with the 2024 911 ST is to make it as light as possible. And because of this, it goes without saying that Porsche had to do away with some of the features from either the GT3 RS or the GT3 Touring. In this particular case, Porsche felt that the mass of the rear axle steering system might be a little heavy, and so they did away with it. This means that the 911 ST will be the only model in the 992 generation to have a double wishbone front axle suspension with a multi-link rear axle and not have rear axle steering. This is yet another reason to make the 911 ST a collectible. Even though they've done away with the rear axle steering system, Porsche has promised that the 911 ST will still have sharp, responsive handling. It will still have plenty of aerodynamic and mechanical grip from the standard gurney flap and ultra-high performance tires. These are the 255/35ZR in the front and the 315/30ZR in the rear. Porsche decided that the 911 ST had to lose some weight, so they put it on a diet. Even though it may look like there are no significant changes to the GT3 Touring's body, the hood, roof, and doors have all been made from carbon fiber reinforced plastic CFRP. In addition to that, the staggered center locking wheels, which are 20 inches in the front and 21 inches in the rear, are all made from magnesium, making them pretty lightweight. However, the only downside to using magnesium is that it's now pretty expensive. When you move to the interior, a few changes have been made to make it lighter. The front bucket seats are now made from CFRP, but the option to choose the 4-way adjustable sports seats is still available. The lightweight flywheel has also made it lighter, saving 23 pounds of rotating mass. Well, at least that's what Porsche has told us. With the ceramic composite brakes, the lithium-ion starter battery, the lightweight glass, the reduced insulation, and the omission of the rear axle steering, the 2024 Porsche 911 ST gets a total curb weight of about 3,056 pounds. And compared to the manual 911 GT3 touring model, this limited edition is 70 pounds lighter. That goes a very long way toward making the car better. Some might feel that owning an anniversary model 911 with a production run of under 1,700 might not be enough for them. And for these people, Porsche has provided an option that they might like. It's called the Heritage Design Package. This option sees the entire body sprayed in shore blue metallic paint, while the wheels are all coated with an exclusive Ceramica color. To make them feel special, buyers can choose a door number ranging from 0 to 99, and decorative foil can be applied upon request. The classic version of the Porsche crest will also appear on the front of the car. The wheel center caps, the steering wheel, the headrests, and the key fob. Everyone will definitely know that you're driving a Porsche. The inside has been fitted with two-tone black classic cognac-colored leather. And just to make sure you know what you're driving, the 911 ST emblem has been placed on the rear and it's gold-plated. When the buyer wants everyone around them to know what they're driving, they can get a limited edition 911 ST chronograph that comes in a special titanium case. It'll also have a plaque with the 911 ST image and the individual limitation number. However, to get this watch, you would have to part with an extra $13,500, which is just a drop in the bucket. After all, the starting MSRP of the limited edition 911 ST is about $291,650. However, we highly doubt if anyone can manage to get it at MSRP. There is something we haven't talked about yet. According to Porsche, the engineers who worked on the car developed a new clutch exclusively for the ST. It's been combined with a single mass flywheel, which reduces the weight of the rotating mass in the car. When you combine this reduced weight with the shortened gear ratio compared to the standard GT3, you'll also notice that the response time has also improved. Porsche has also confirmed that with these new features, the 911 ST can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.5 seconds. Not only that, but it also comes with a top speed of about 186 miles per hour. This may be slower than a PDK-equipped GT3, but it's still pretty fast. Porsche has really tried to celebrate the 911 with an awesome limited edition. And if you compare the 911 ST with other 911s, this might be the best version of them all. It has speed, it's lighter than usual, and performs pretty well. And the deal breaker is that it comes in a manual version, which is something a lot of people have been hoping to see for a while now. This is quite a way to celebrate the 60th anniversary of the Porsche 911. The 911 has been an amazing performance car and has been loved by many, and now it's bound to get better with time. If you're lucky enough, Porsche 911 ST deliveries are expected to start in spring 2024. So if I were you, I think it's time to start making calls to your dealer. What do you think of the 2024 Porsche 911 ST? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, before you go, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing updates on your favorite cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.